Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by stabilizing the bike and removing the rear wheel. This gives direct access to the cassette. Once the wheel is out, feel the cassette for side-to-side play and inspect the lock ring for looseness or stripped splines. Use the chain whip to hold the cassette and the lock ring tool to attempt a snug turn. This confirms whether it's merely loose versus damaged. Make sure to keep parts organized and note how the spacers and sprockets stack, because correct order matters when you reassemble. Once you can access the lock ring, hold the cassette steady with the chain whip and turn the lock ring tool clockwise to tighten. Aim for the specified torque, usually between 30 and 40 Nm for many systems, so it won't work loose. After tightening, spin the free hub and listen for rough bearings. Dirt or grit between splines will prevent proper seating. If spacers are missing or cogs are warped, replace them. An accurately seated cassette depends on clean splines and correct spacer thickness, so clean and grease lightly where indicated. You reinstall the rear wheel, secure the axle or quick release to correct torque, and shift through the gears while pedaling to ensure smooth engagement. Make sure the chain tracks cleanly across sprockets. If you still feel lateral play or hear skipping, the lock ring may not be engaging properly or the free hub body splines could be damaged. If tightening repeatedly fails, remove the cassette again and inspect the free hub. Replace it if splines are worn. If uncertain, consult a mechanic to avoid catastrophic failure while
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.